Get ready to be blown away because the Google Pixel 8 Pro has officially arrived, and it's bringing a whole lot of excitement, especially in the software department. Brace yourself for a thrilling showdown between the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We've crowned the iPhone 15 Pro Max as the ultimate upgrade in our previous review, but the Pixel 8 Pro is here to challenge that throne, and it's armed with 7 fantastic ways to outshine its competition. First up, let's talk about ad camera features. The Pixel 8 Pro takes photography to the next level with Magic Editor, a genius feature powered by generative AI. It allows you to transform your photos like never before, ensuring that not a single awkward expression ruins your precious group shots. And that's not all. The Pixel 8 Pro is even introducing a zoom and enhance feature and video boost to elevate your videography game with AI enhancements. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to annoying background noises in your videos with the Audio Magic Eraser, a feature the iPhone 15 Pro Max can only dream of. The Pixel 8 Pro effortlessly removes unwanted audio distractions, making your videos pristine. Photography enthusiasts, get ready to rejoice. The Pixel 8 Pro offers pro-level camera controls, allowing you to fine-tune settings like shutter speed, white balance, and ISO to capture the perfect shot. It even supports RAW format at a stunning 50-megapixel resolution. Let there be light. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a brighter display, outshining the iPhone 15 Pro Max with its Super Actua display reaching a dazzling 1,600 nits of HDR brightness. That's 400 nits more than its rival. Hold on to your hats because the Pixel 8 Pro has a software support promise that stretches all the way to 2030. That's 7 years of software updates, including new Android versions, feature drops, and security updates, leaving the iPhone 15 Pro Max trailing behind. Not to be outdone, the Pixel 8 Pro packs an object temperature sensor, which might just prove handy for measuring the temperature of baby's milk or checking the pavement's heat before walking the dog. The possibilities are endless. Now for the grand finale. The Pixel 8 Pro's lower price tag. Starting at $999, it's $200 cheaper than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and upgrading storage won't break the bank either, unlike its pricier rival. Get ready for a wild ride with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's bringing the heat, innovation, and affordability to the smartphone arena like never before.